Hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Roblox account. So if you are new to Roblox and you like to get started, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and set up your Roblox. For this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do it on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you open your Roblox app once you have downloaded it from Play Store or App Store, this is the first interface that you will see. From here you can go ahead and create an account or sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, then we need to create one, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll tap on create account, and here you need to go ahead and enter your month, date and year of birth. So I'll use this as an example, 1st of January 2000, and then confirm your birth, and then go ahead and enter your username. So here you are told you should not use your real name. So I'll go ahead and select my username. So I'll choose this, and then I'll go ahead and choose my gender. It is also optional, you can either leave or choose. So the first icon is for if you are a lady, and if you're a gentleman or man, I'll choose the second one. Now as you can see, I'm told there is an error with my username, so I'll have to change my name. So let me add some words, and you can see now everything matches. I'm good to go. So if your name is available and you have followed the instructions, you will see the continue option will be active. So I'll go ahead and tap on continue, and now here you'll be taken to a password page where you have to create your password. And the condition for the password is that it should not be simple, and it should be at least 8 characters long and does not match username. So I'll go ahead and create my password. So I'll tap on done. You can also decide whether you want to save your password on your Google account. So I'll not save mine. And here I'm on my account. Here is the homepage and the interface. I can now search for any game or play any game on Roblox because I have an account. So that's how you can set up your Roblox account from scratch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.